Hey guys, and welcome back to Hike Oregon. Today I wanted to show you one of the best things and most important things that you should have in your survival kit. So I'm guessing that since you're a hiker, you have a first aid kit slash survival kit, right? So you may have like Band-Aids, maybe a EpiPen if you're allergic to bees, one of those survival blankets, that kind of thing. So when you put together your first aid kit, do you ever think, okay, I might be spending a night out. Do you ever think, okay, where am I going to get my water? I'm not prepared for backpacking, so I don't have anything to boil water with. How are you going to get water, right? That's not really something most people think about when they're out on a day hike. They're just kind of thinking about, if I get hurt or something. That's usually what people think about when they put together their first aid kit. So I want to show you something that I think everyone should have in their first aid kit, and that is the HydroBlu Sidekick. This is an awesome little, it looks like a EpiPen, basically. It looks like it's a little pen here, and you can put it in the water, and it's a water filter. You just drink through the filter here. So let's say you're stuck out for a night, you have finished all of your water because you went on a day hike. Let's say now you're lost or you got hurt and you have to spend the night out. What are you gonna do, right? If you have this, you can just refill up your water bottle and drink through this filter straw. Super handy, right? And the coolest part about this is it weighs less than an ounce. So now I'm gonna insert a clip of me showing you how exactly this works. Okay guys, I got my HydroBlu straw. So you can drink out of any water source with this handy filter. So you just pop the little thing off like that, and then you drink out of this end. So now that you saw how this handy thing works, I'm going to tell you how you can get one. It is super easy. HydroBlu.com. It's $14.95. Probably the best investment you can make into your first aid kit. Again, if you are ever out for a night unexpectedly, or I have been in a situation where my friend ran out of water during a summer hike on multiple occasions. Of course, I don't mind sharing my water, but then I'm putting myself at risk for dehydration as well because I don't have as much water and she doesn't have enough water. So that's again where something like this could come in handy. She could just have filled up her Nalgene bottle and drank through the straw and we would have been good to go. So it doesn't even have to be a survival situation where this could really come in handy. And I'll show you right here. It comes in this cool package and it comes with a backup filter. As you can see right here, this is the backup filter. So I'll show you real quick here. You can just pretty easily take this filter off. So that's what it looks like when it's off. I don't know if you care to see what it looks like in there, but then you just replace this filter with the backup filter, and they sell backup filters too if you needed more. So it filters out 99.9999% of bacteria. It filters out protozoa, it filters out chemicals and heavy metals, and it's BPA free. So the filter capacity is 50 liters, so you kind of have to think about that, but that's a lot for something that's mainly going to be used for survival situations. So after about 50 liters, you're going to want to replace this filter guy. But again, what a great deal. It comes with 2 filters, so 100 gallons of water can be filtered with this guy. So I'm so excited because I get to give this guy away. Of course, I'm keeping mine. I love this thing. So I'm giving this packed one away to one of you lucky winners. So all you have to do to be eligible to win, you have to be in the US, unfortunately. It's super expensive to send things overseas. So I'm so sorry about that. To enter, all you have to do is, of course, you have to be a Hike Oregon subscriber here on YouTube, and then you gotta go over to the HydroBlu Instagram page and follow them and comment below, because this is how I'm gonna choose my winner via random.org. So you gotta comment below if you have ever been in a situation where something like this would have come in handy. So that's all you have to do. Be a Hike Oregon YouTube subscriber, go over to HydroBlu Instagram page and follow them, and then comment below if you've ever been in a situation where this would have come in handy. If you have any questions about this awesome sidekick, let me know. I'm more than happy to answer any questions. If I don't know the answer, I will definitely contact HydroBlu and ask them. They are so nice, great customer service over there, and I think all around a wonderful company. Thank you so much for watching this video. Good luck on the giveaway, and I'll catch you on the next adventure.